Hello, I'm Chris Cook, the product manager for Vulcan Food Equipment Group. Today I'd like to talk to you about our Powerfry fryers. The Powerfry fryers are Energy Star fryers that have energy efficiency of 65 or better. Having an Energy Star efficiency of 65 or better means that you have one of the best performing fryers in the industry. What does that energy efficiency mean for you? What that means for you is you'll save cost while using this fryer, and you'll have exceptional recovery when you talk about cooking in the fryer. But how do we achieve such a great efficiency with our fryers? Let me show you a couple of features about this fryer. The first thing you'll notice when you look into the fryer is what we call our ram's head. This is our heat transfer system for the fryer. The heat transfer system is a 5-pass system. You have the initial pass where your burners are inside of the tube here. You'll have your second pass along this top tube. You will also notice on the tube that it has indentations that cause cavitation with the heat that's going through the tubes. That allows that heat to stay into the tubes longer, putting that heat into your oil. Then you have your third pass. In your third pass, you'll notice that you have a baffle inside the tube. That's the additional cavitation that you have in the tube, again, allowing that heat to stay into your tubes longer, thereby transferring more heat into your fryer. On the final passes, you will have 2 passes on the outside of your tank. That's passes 4 and 5 before the heat comes out of your flue. When that heat comes out of your flue, you're talking about a temperature of 450 degrees coming out of the flue with the Powerfry5. Traditionally, on a standard fryer, you'll have temperatures in excess of 1200 degrees coming out of that flue. That's a lot of heat energy being wasted rather than being put into your cooking oil. The last feature that I want to show you on this unit is the built-in filtration system. Our clean screen filtration system is unique to our fryers. With our clean screen filtration system, you will notice a 110 pound tank that you have to store your cooking oil when you do your filtration process. The filtration process is a simple process where you release the lever, press a button, and you do your filtration. By having a simple filtration process, this makes it easier for your employees in the restaurant to do the filtration on the oil, making them more likely to do that filtration. By having them conduct the filtration as they should, it's saving you money because your oil is able to last longer. And by having a simple filtration process like this, the employees actually don't mind taking the time to do the filtration process. So in summary, we talked about the energy efficiency of the fryer at 65 or better, depending on which size fryer that you get. You also have the heat transfer system that allows 5 passes, 3 passes in the oil and 2 passes on the outside. That gives you a flue temperature of 450 degrees versus 1200 degrees, which is typical for flues on standard fryers. And finally, the built-in filtration system, or better known as our clean screen filtration. With the clean screen filtration process, you just pull a lever, press a button, and you start the filtration process. Couldn't be any simpler than that. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me or anyone else at Vulcan, and we'd be happy to work with you. Again, my name is Chris Cook. Thank you for your time.